Sometimes, members of the public dump chemicals or debris into storm sewers and roadside ditches because they don't realize that these systems connect to rivers, lakes, and streams. You can help to prevent water pollution by keeping an eye out for and reporting illegal dumping and illicit discharges in your community. Any disposal or discharge to the municipal separate storm sewer system that is not composed entirely of stormwater is considered an illicit discharge. This can happen from surface flow, illegal connections to the storm drain system, and direct dumping into a storm drain or body of water. Anything flowing into a storm drain goes directly to our water resources and is not directed to a treatment facility. Illicit discharge can include trash and unwanted furniture or appliances dumped in ditches, wastewater from steam cleaning or power washing companies, construction materials such as drywall mud and concrete from small projects, grass and lawn care clippings, and chlorinated pool water. Some examples for what you can look for to identify illicit discharge are people dumping liquids, animal waste, leaves, and grass clippings, or anything unidentifiable into a storm drain. Water flowing in storm sewer pipes and ditches during dry time. Mysterious-looking output in a storm pond, stream, or lake near an outfall, including sediment. Pipes, gutters, or hoses directed towards storm drains. Stains, unusual odors, or structural damage to street surfaces. Some suds occur naturally and do not need to be reported. It can be difficult to tell them apart, but suds from chemicals or sewage tend to be white with a foul or perfumed scent and greater around outputs, while natural foam will usually be more tan or brown in color, smell of dirt or fish, and be widespread near shorelines. You can break up oil sheens with a stick to help determine if it's caused naturally or by illicit discharge. Petroleum tends to come back together, while the naturally occurring bacteria that looks like oil will usually stay broken apart. If you see potentially illicit substances coming from an outfall, trace it upstream to determine a source if possible. For water during dry times, document the time and place of discovery and take a picture. It will probably require further research to identify a source. If you see someone dumping directly into a storm drain, ditch, or body of water, stop and tell them what they're doing is wrong and why. Explain that storm water goes directly into streams and lakes without being treated and is a hazard to humans, the environment, and wildlife. You should document and take photos of any illegal dumping, then report it to your supervisor or the city MS4 coordinator. If someone will not stop dumping or are a repeat offender, call your county sheriff, DNR conservation officer, or the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency hotline. Spills should be reported to the Minnesota duty officer. You can find contact information for these resources in the description of this video.